Hi, my name is Sulalit. This video is all about our spring break discoveries from our research. We all chose a topic to research about each day. We all had a group call every day to share what we learned. Altogether, we are 9 kids and we are all third graders. My day 1 topic is how a car makes energy for the car to move. An engine is the part of a car that makes it energy to move. Parts of the engine are engine block, cylinder head, cylinders, crankshaft, connecting rods, pistons, spark plugs, fuel injectors, valves, which are intake and outtake, camshafts, and a timing chain or belt. Process. The process of converting gasoline into energy is called internal combustion. Power is produced in the engine with the 4-stroke process. Step 1. The piston moves on its first downward stroke and the intake valve opens and fills the combustion chamber with an air and fuel mixture. The intake valve closes and the piston goes on an upward stroke that compresses the mixture. The compression makes the mixture combust with greater force than it being not compressed. Step 3. The spark plug ignites the mixture, causing it to burn explosively. The explosion causes the piston to move another downward stroke. Step 4. Lastly, the piston moves another upward stroke and the outtake valve opens and the mixture is forced out the outtake valve. There are 4 pistons in the engine or more, so the engine will produce enough power for the car to move. This process takes barely any time to make energy. Hope you like my research. Bye!
Hi, my name is Aaron and I'm going to tell you about supernovas. Day 1. What is a supernova? A supernova is a powerful explosion which is caused by when a big star is about to die. The first supernova to ever be seen was in September 2006, which occurred in a galaxy called NGC 1260. It is the largest supernova to be ever discovered. What happens during a supernova? A supernova is when a very big star explodes. This happens when a star runs out of energy to make heat and light, so it collapses, then explodes. How supernovas affect humans. The gamma ray caused by the supernova would reach the upper atmosphere. Here, a chemical reaction occurs, where the molecular nitrogen oxide turns into nitrogen oxide. This in turn deflates the horizon layer, exposing humans to solar and cosmic radiations. Other facts about supernovas. Supernovas can outshine entire galaxies and only last about a few seconds. After a supernova, particles of it can be there for a few years. Okay, what I learned about supernovas is supernovas can outshine entire galaxies and only last about a few seconds. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vidamshi and today I will tell you about dreams. First of all, what is a dream? A dream is a succession of images, ideas, emotions, and sensations. They usually occur involuntarily in the mind during certain stages of sleep. Dreams are made of arcs of electricity in your brain, making images, emotions, and dreams. Dreams are crazy because 2 dreams collide with each other to make them look imaginative. You'll spend 6 years dreaming in your lifetime. Dreaming helps your brain process your innermost memories, thoughts, and feelings. We dream all night, but our brains are active throughout the night. But after we wake up, we often don't remember much about our dreams. We dream most vividly during REM, rapid eye movement sleep. Around 12% of people dream in black and white. Most of our dreams are linked to thoughts or events from the previous day or two. You likely only dream about faces you've seen in person or on TV. Nightmares usually begin between the age of 3 and 6 and decreases after the age of 10. Nightmares occur most frequently in the last third of the night. Around 40% of children have night terrors, though most outgrow them by their teens. Eating before bed makes your nightmares more likely because it increases your metabolism, signaling your brain to be more active. Blind people see images in their dreams. People forget 95 to 99% of their dreams. Some believe dreams can predict the future, though there isn't enough evidence to prove it. You may be able to learn to control your dreams by using techniques for lucid dreaming. Though they've been trying to figure it out since the beginning of time, researchers don't know why we dream or what purpose it serves, if any. You'll spend 1/3 of your life dreaming, and that time you'll have 100,000 dreams. I was surprised learning about this because most of the facts were very new to me and surprising.
Hi, my name is Darvik Moretti, and today I'm going to tell you about sound. 1. Sound is a wave traveling through air and water. 2. The particles in the air is how sound travels. 3. The vibrations that the particles around it move in waves and eventually go to your ears. 4. In music, if you're tuning a guitar, it makes it tighter or looser. If it's tighter, it has a higher frequency. If it's looser, it has a lower frequency. 5. Sound is a wave or vibration that goes through 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And in each one, the sound has a different tune. 6. When there's no matter or particles like in space, sound will not be heard because there's no particles. The older you get, your hearing gets worse, just like your eardrums, and that's actually why your hearing gets worse. 8. Sound travels 4.3 times faster in water than air. 9. Leonardo da Vinci discovered sound in 1500. 10. Echoes are caused by vibrations. Thank you. This is all about sound. Bye.
Hi guys, my name is Varshith, and this is my topic for my spring break. My topic is about how mountains form. The crust is the outermost of the layer in a planet. Tectonic plates are pieces of Earth's crust and uppermost mantle. Why plates move? Because of the intense heat in the Earth's core that caused the mantle layer to move. Plates crash into each other and get higher, and that's how mountains form. These are some facts about mountains. Some mountains are still growing. Mountains are made out of crust. Mountains are formed by folding movement at faults and volcanic eruptions. Though mountains are made by Earth's magma rising, Mount Everest grows 4 mm every year. Plates move a few centimeters a year. Mountains take millions of years to be made. Rain, ice, snow, wind makes mountains smaller. Folded mountains are formed when plates are into each other. And I'm done.
Hi, my name is Rutvika. I'm in 3rd grade and I'm going to tell you about how a film camera works. How does a film camera work? You need a film. A film is a long spool of plastic coated with special chemicals that are sensitive to light. To stop light blowing the film, it is wrapped up inside a tough light-proof plastic cylinder, the thing you put in your camera. A film is what you keep in your camera. What does the film do? When you take a picture in a film camera, the aperture, a hole, opens briefly at the front of the camera, allowing light to enter through the lens. After the light makes a shape on the picture, it goes on the film and makes that shape. Then you take it to a store, they take it in a dark room, then they dip it in chemicals. Then they print it out.
Hi, my name is Sanvi, and I'm going to tell you some amazingly interesting facts about New Jersey. Number 1, Atlantic City has the longest boardwalk in the world. Number 2, Cape May is considered the first seaside resort in America. Number 3, the first modern submarine ride was taken in the Passaic River, which is obviously in New Jersey. Number 4, New Jersey is home to the first baseball game, which was in Hoboken. Number 5, the first drive-in movie theater was in Camden. Number 6, New Jersey is the most densely populated state in the country. Number 7, New Jersey's nickname is Garden State. Number 8, New Jersey is called Diner State Capital of the country because it has an estimated 525 diners. Number 9, New Jersey is home to the first inter-college football game. Number 10, New Jersey's state vegetable is the tomato. Number 11, New Jersey's state tree is northern red oak. Thanks for listening to my facts. Bye!
Hi, my name is Rishi and I'm going to talk about cells and how they work. A cell is the smallest unit of life. All living things on Earth, from the tiniest creatures to the tallest of trees, are composed with cells. Some have only one cell and are called unicellular, like a microscopic bacteria. Others, on the other hand, have many cells and are known as multicellular, like a bear. Though some, such as an egg, is a cell that can easily be seen, an ostrich's egg is the biggest cell that exists. How do cells work? Animals and plants have 3 vital functions: nutrition, relation, and reproduction. Cells have something called a cell membrane. It is the outer covering of the cell, which is like your skin. It allows some substances to come in and keep the harmful ones stay out. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, as it provides all the energy the cell needs. When a human body consumes food, the digested part of the food reacts with the oxygen and mitochondria to create energy for that cell. The ribosomes are very important because they make proteins, which are used to repair any damage caused. The nucleus is like the brain of the cell. If you look inside the nucleus, you would find chromosomes, which carries out the instructions of the nucleus. Cytoplasm, this is the space where all the components take a rest, which means that the cytoplasm fills up the rest of the cell, where the other components of the cell keep floating, as the cytoplasm is mostly water. Lysosomes, like we have trash cans, the cells have lysosomes, which get rid of the waste material and other unwanted substances of the cell. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Krishna Madali, and today I'm going to tell you about global warming. Global warming is created by the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is used to plant things by trapping light in a farm place, but in this case, it is different. It is not light getting trapped. If you keep your lights on or keep a charger in a plug, it wastes energy. If you waste energy, all that power it used is converted into carbon dioxide and other gases. And the gases go up into the atmosphere and get trapped in the atmosphere. That creates heat, and the heat melts ice caps and glaciers. Animals live on ice caps and glaciers. All the animals are dying that live on ice caps and glaciers. The first way to stop global warming is to take off chargers when you're not using them. The next way is to turn off lights when you're not using them. The last way is to take shorter baths. Bye guys, that's the end of our video.